What does $1 million gets you in Shenandoah, Miami, Florida? In a very, very well-centered area where you're pretty much close to everything, to the downtown Brickell area, minutes away from the airport, like around 20 minutes from the beach. So let's go and take a look. Welcome everyone, I am Stefania Mogollon, real estate agent in South Florida, dedicated to help buyers, sellers, tenants, and investors that want to experience the beauty of living in South Florida and enjoying all the financial tax benefits that our state has to offer. For today's video, we will be seeing a fully renovated property that has an open floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a media room, a private patio and backyard with a total of 1,784 square feet. Its unique design of mixture of colors and textures have been made by SBH Restorations, giving this property a very unique touch and look that you will not find in any other. Let's step inside this beautiful home together and officially start today's tour. As soon as you enter, you will be in the foyer, appreciating these beautiful French industrial look windows and the palm panel that brings in so much natural light into the house. Take a look at the difference on the floors. You can see that the foyer floor is completely different than the living room floor, giving the space an artistic look but cohesive theme. Stepping into the living room through this arch opening, you are going to see an incredible space with a beautiful chandelier and a fireplace. As you come close to the fireplace, you're gonna see it also features other textures but with the same tone around the entire house. Continuing to the kitchen through another beautiful arch opening and an open space layout, you're going to see a large space combining a white countertop with gold veins that matches the chandelier and the gold tones of the entire house. The island has a top-of-the-line sink that features a water faucet and a filter on the same fixture, color black, combining the whole theme of the property: lamps, doors, and windows. You also have attached to the island an 8-seat table for dining. High quality appliances and incredible storage space throughout the entire kitchen. And one of my favorite details is the backsplash that's so unique about this property, giving a tropical, industrial, and modern look to the entire house, so that you can feel the essence of the tropical weather that only Miami has to offer. Continuing with the flow of this open layout, you're going to find the master bedroom or master suite at the end of the hall. As you can see, as you step in, you're going to see a beautiful natural light coming through the all new windows. The primary bathroom is a 5-piece with a wet room. As you can see, the decoration, finishes, and style, it's amazing and very unique. You have this wet room where you can enjoy the beauty of having a shower or a relaxing bath after a work day. It also continues with the theme of gold water fixtures, and also it has an incredible plug accessory inside the cabinet. There is also a bonus room that can be used for guests, office, children's play area, or a media room. And it also has a laundry and storage space in the back. While we continue with the tour, please let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this property and if you envision yourself living in a house like this. Moving to the 2 secondary bedrooms right off the entrance of the house after you pass the foyer, you're gonna see that the theme continues and you have plenty of sunlight, built-in light fixtures, and the shared but spacious bathroom. This property has, on the tax records, a total of 1,500 square feet approximately. However, the total internal space is over 1,700 square feet. It has all new electrical, plumbing, roof, HVAC ducts, insulation, and impact windows and doors. Continuing through the kitchen, you have access to the covered patio with lush landscaping where you can enjoy your morning coffee or a get-together with your family. You have access to this covered patio through the kitchen, but also through the driveway right next to the main entrance, giving you and your guests access directly through the patio and avoiding your main home. Continuing through the patio, you have an incredible backyard space where you even have space to install your own pool if you desire. Look at this beautiful property with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a foyer, an extra space for office or media room, patio, backyard, and driveway. What do you think about this property? Let me know on the comments down below. And don't forget that if you're interested in this property or any other property in South Florida for purchase, all my information is down below. If you desire to sell a property, I'll be happy to assist and come and give you a free estimate of your property. This is Stefania Mogollon, a South Florida real estate agent, and I am here to help you.